Hey guys, welcome back to Brimley Games. I'm Brandon, this is my wife Sabrina, and in this video we will be unboxing the brand new Jungle Cruise game. Let's get into it. Moment of truth. What is inside, if we can ever open it?
Okay. Ooh. It's got this fancy little note on the board.
Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. You're gonna need preparation to learn how to skipper the boat. Yours truly, Alberta Falls. Wow. You've got a super fancy board.
It's supposed to be like this.
You have your instruction manual, a bunch of tokens,
Oh, great.
the deck of cards, 4 boats, some dice, and it looks like these are the play mats.
I can't open it.
Ready to bring back the scissors?
Apparently. Ah, ha, 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 ha. I got it.
So how many are there? I'm assuming there's 4 mats, one for each. Oh no.
No, I don't think so.
So on these, there's the
Woo.
center, stern, port, and starboard.
It's a creepy dude with a snake around his neck.
Yikes.
I wonder if you get like random people that are on yours.
I'm sure you are because you're skippering a journey, so.
Volta Vow.
They have fancy dice. There's a lot of exclamation marks on these, which kind of scare me.
Kind of a bad sign.
So we'll find out from the rules what those mean. Race down the river to deliver passengers and cargo to the company headquarters. You'll be paid for each one you deliver, but you'll receive greater rewards for being the first to arrive, carrying different types of cargo, delivering members of Alberta's selected family. See scoring for details. After all the tips at headquarters have been taken, the player with the highest score wins.
Oh look, there's Mickey ears in there. That's awesome.
Ooh, hidden treasures, Mickey ears.
Of course. I think there's a couple repeats of these because that creepy snake dude is here again.
I'm sure each person might have them because we're all trying to bring his family back.
Yeah,
And so it's
right.
whoever brings the most people back and does other things as we go.
That's kind of, what does it mean, like the most people? Like how, if you all start with the same people,
So does that mean
it's
there's
not a good sign.
people are lost along the way? It's like Oregon Trail.
I've never played that. What?
It's just funny. It's a
Yes.
classic game.
It is.
Yes. Okay, question of the day, everybody. Have you ever been on the Jungle Cruise ride at Disneyland? And if so, I want you to comment down below your favorite, punniest line that they shared. Like they talk about the backside of water, whatever you want. Place them face down in a pile at the side of the board. For those looking to buy this, the cards are packaged very well. It may take a little bit to get them open.
I can't get it open. Oh my goodness. Wait.
Can you do it?
I have it.
Okay, mix up the 4 clue tokens and place 1 clue face down on each clue space. Although each player gets their own boat, you'll be sharing the deck. That's a nautical joke.
Oh no.
I'm gonna do yellow.
I sense a pattern here. You're getting
Whoa.
blue and you're getting yellow.
I would always do, blue is my favorite color. But in games, I almost always do yellow because blue is such a popular favorite color that everybody always chooses it. And I'd rather be consistent with my color, so I've kind of consigned myself
You
to
want to
being
be
yellow.
blue?
I don't. Thank you. Oh, that's awesome. They're different types of fonts.
So it makes it easy to tell.
Makes it very easy to tell.
Good job. Did you just drop like half of them?
Only one.
A fourth of them, my bad.
There's a lot of different types of tokens, but as you go, it looks like it's fairly easy to understand the different purposes of all the tokens. Read the jokes out loud. It's an important part of the skipper's job. So we have to read the jokes. Let's move along. Monkey business can get hairy. Do you know why tigers are striped? To avoid being spotted. If you need to exchange foreign currency during your travels, don't worry. There are banks all along the rivers. This snake is so sweet he may get a crush on you. It could be a constricting relationship, so don't get too wrapped up. I love this game already.
It's so bad. I already get enough of this from you on a daily basis. So my 4 cards are Water Buffalo, and they're 3 danger.
I love these jokes so much.
You know what time it is when a water buffalo sits on your bed? Time to get a new bed. It's not even funny. Man-eating piranhas. Gentlemen, be careful. We're passing over the man-eating piranhas. Apparently they don't like the taste of women or children.
That's a common one they say on the ride.
Crash landing. This wreckage just goes to show you what the hardest part of landing a plane is. The ground. Toucans. You can see 2 toucans on that branch. If we had 3 toucans, we'd have a 6-pack.
Because there's toucans?
I know. It's so
cans.
ridiculous. So I'm going to do the 1 and the 1 because...
You don't like the man-eating piranhas?
Nah. There are no piranhas in Africa.
They're indigenous to South America. Nice!
Yes!
She's
Okay.
safe. Okay, this is a little bit faster than I
1,
anticipated.
2, 3.
Once you get it going and you understand how it works.
Darn, I wanted to be on top of yours.
Balance.
Haha.
Lucky. Oh. You've not lost a passenger yet. Those are all 3 mine.
Stink! And I
Yeah,
knocked my
that's
boat over.
so
Okay,
you
so I have
lose
to
one
lose a
person
person
in
from
the
down
bottom.
here.
Horizontal. Yes,
Oh.
no bad things.
Snap.
Lose 1 passenger cargo from the center of your boat. That's supposed to be the safe spot.
It is, unless you get that.
Unless you get the jungle mist.
Oh my gosh.
Butterflies aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars.
So bad. So bad! Okay, we'll do this too.
Okay, comment down below if you think that we should do a video reading every single
No!
card and all of the jokes on them.
Don't do it!
Comment down below if you want that. How are you so lucky? And now we're on the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go.
You were too excited about this.
Going for it. I'm going risky. We'll see if that pays off. It probably won't.
I hope it doesn't.
1 bird can't make you happy, but 2 can.
This is so bad. You're gonna use these all the time now.
Probably.
No!
Hard rock first. Oh. Dang it! I have to roll 2 dice again.
Oh, that's
I love the puns, but I am very unlucky.
Which is good for me.
Now I roll a 4 when I can only move 1.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Okay. I mean, I only have to face 1 thing.
You want? I'm sorry. I actually do feel bad. Okay, so I'm going to do my water buffalo first because that's the 3 dice. So scary. Are you joking?
Remember, you can do a warning flare. $39-38.
Yes!
She won. So overall, this is a very good game. It's got really good puns directly from the Jungle Cruise ride. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to pick up Jungle Cruise for yourself, link in the description down below. If you want to watch more Brimley Games videos, click over here around Sabrina's face. And then if you want to subscribe, you can click right here. We'll be doing more Jungle Cruise games soon with a how to play instructional video coming out shortly. Thanks, guys.